Okay, hey, how you guys doing? All right, this is kale. This is red kale. It's from last year. And this year, I got the green kale. Just put them in. This scallion right here is from 3 years now. I'll pick off it every year. Every time you cook, pick some, season. Okay? Over here, you got Swiss chard. You got the red Swiss chard and the green Swiss chard. Down here, you got what you call leaf lettuce. Green leaf lettuce. I didn't get no red leaf lettuce this year. Okay. This right here, this is from last year. This is supposed to have the strongest root, and it'll come right back. This one right here. Okay. These are romaine lettuce. This pot right here, I'm gonna put some more dirt, and this is where the potatoes are going in. Over here, I'm gonna plant some gungo peas. And as we go along, I will give you guys an update on what's going in the ground and what is going on. This right here, this is supposed to be is a persimmon. This is supposed to be a persimmon tree. It's supposed to come back every year. So we're gonna wait and see what's going on. I just planted it, so we're gonna see what's going on with it. So, like I said, stay tuned and you'll get an update. Of course, the rosemary tree came back. And I'll give you an update on what's going on in the little farm. And I'm gonna be calling this Farming in Georgia. Stay tuned for the pepper plants.